Hi guys, welcome to Mom Do's Chinese Kitchen. Today I'm using some little red beans. I will make a Chinese steamed bun, but the fillings is the sweet red bean paste. While I was in the kindergarten, we usually eat this. It was so tasty and delicious. The children will love it so much. First of all, we take a small container of red beans. We pull out some water to soak it overnight. We put the red beans in the casserole. We add some water. Turn on the heat. Let's boil for 45 minutes. 250 grams of all-purpose flour. And I make a yeast water. It's 2.5 to 3 grams of yeast. And 130 grams of water. Then we start to mix everything together. We can start to use hand to knead everything together. Let's do the fermentation. Now it's okay. Let it cool down. Here we go. We drop the beans here in the blender. We add some water here, not too much. After blending, we turn on the heat, take the pan. We drop the mixers in. Water, just enough, it's fine. We stir it at the same time we boil it. Let all the water, most of the water goes out from. Yeah. Once it's like this, let's add some sugars. Let's add some sugars. It all depends on your taste. We drop some oil. And stir them. Once the red bean like this sticky, it's okay. We can make xiaobao. We can make sweet red bean baozi. Here we go. Let's knead the dough. For a few minutes, we press the gas inside. Let's cut the dough. Usually I make it round, so it's much more easier for me to make each dough even. So no need to use a weighing machine all the time. 245 grams. You can make smaller if it's for baby or children. 再去拿. Here, let's make the dough. We need each one of them. She's doing this. She's making a dough as well. I don't know what she's making. Maybe pizza. For the dough is ready, let's make the fillings. For the dough is ready, let's make the fillings. Here I'm using a glove here. Maybe the sound is not nice. I grab a little and put in my hand. I will just roll it by my hand. Yeah, like this. grab a little bit and roll it. You don't really need to make it so round because later on you will roll it with your dough as well. Everything is ready. Let's start to make the sweet red bean Baozi. So here is the surface. Let's turn over, press it. We start roll it a little bit bigger. Not too much big because we don't need it. We will check the filling. 去吧，宝贝，真棒。Like this is fine. We take a filling here. We take a filling here. And we use here. We use this part of the hand. We start to roll it and squeeze up. Roll it, squeeze up. Just make it slowly. Yeah. Make sure each part is squeezing up. Yeah. And press everything together. Stick all together. Now it's closed. Make some flour. Yeah. Here we go. One is down. Here we go. This one. And rotate, squeeze, 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 squeeze. Yeah, here we go. It's easy, right? And at the end, you press everything together, stick all together. Second. Here we go. And we brush some oil so it will not get stick. Or you can put some wax paper. Slowly, one. Big. Here you go. We remove the cover slowly. Yeah. This is the sweet red beans Baozi that's sticky. Soft outside, inside is so sweet with the red bean flavor. Yummy. It's good for the old people, for the person whose teeth is not that strong, and it's good for the children as well. They love sweet. For the sugar, I'm putting the white sugar. You can put crystal sugar too, that is more healthy. Or you can put red sugar, brown sugar, or you can put less sugar. This is really good. Once you make it, you can put it in the freezer, and then you can use for 2 weeks. Whenever you want to eat, you can just defrost it and heat it up, warm it. And you can, this can go with soup, can go with dishes, anything you want to. Okay, this is today's video. Thanks for watching. Let me see you in my next video. Bye bye.